Welcome back to day 4 of our Excel series. Today, we'll learn how to format your data to make it look clean, organized, and easy to read. Rename your sheet. If you're working with multiple sheets, it's always a good idea to rename them. Just right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom and choose Rename. Give your sheet a name that reflects its content so it's easier to find later. Add borders and alignment to your data. Now let's add borders around our data. Go to the Home tab, and in the Font group, you'll find the Borders icon. Click the drop-down and select all borders to neatly outline your entire table. It instantly makes your data more structured. Now to align the data, go to the Alignment and select Center, and your data will be arranged. Fill header color. To make your headers stand out, we'll add some color. Select the header row, then go to the Fill Color tool in the Home tab. It looks like a paint bucket. Choose a color you like to highlight your headings. Bold headers. Next, let's make the headers bold for better visibility. Simply click the Bold B button in the Home tab or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Highlight specific data. If you want to draw attention to any important data, you can use Fill Color again to highlight those cells. Want to change the text color? Use the Font Color tool beside it and pick any color you prefer. Save your work. Once you're done formatting, don't forget to save your file. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl S. Hold the Control key and press S together. And that's how you format your Excel data with borders, colors, and highlight. In the next video, we'll learn how to sort and filter data to make your sheets more interactive. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up sign, share it with friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new Excel tip.